Hello students. In my last two videos, I've discussed about the paper pattern of CAIE Physics 5054 ATP syllabus and construction work which we will do for ATP. Now, in this video, I will discuss questions. In physics, as I have discussed in my last video, that you will attempt 4 questions. So one question is related to light chapter. So now I am going to discuss in detail how you will prepare yourself for this question. So one question is necessary which you will do from light chapters. Okay, so you will study light. In light chapter there are 3 portions. Is first part is reflection, second part is refraction, and third part is lens. In first part, reflection, you will study mirror. So mirror, you must know how to draw object distance u, image distance v. So in mirror, object distance u is equal to image distance v, and you must know how to draw height of object HO. As you can see here, HO for height of object and HI for height of image. So you will draw in paper, you will draw object distance U, image distance V, height of object, height of image. Also you must know concept of real and virtual image. So mirror, you must read all these topics. Now in refraction and lens. So first I have discussed about lens. So in lens we are using convex lens. In physics 5054 there are 2 types of lens, convex lens and concave lens. So we will discuss convex lens. So you must know shape of convex lens, and in convex lens you must know how to draw object distance u, image distance v, how to measure focal length f, and you must know real and virtual image. And in this construction of lens, you must know how to measure magnification. Magnification is distance of image divided by distance of object. So magnification, you will study in lens, you will study magnification and focal length f, and construction ray diagram and laws of image formation in from lens. You will study these topics. And now after lens, next is refraction. If we I am talking refraction, you will discuss refraction from glass slab and refraction from prism. So in glass slab you must know how to draw incident ray, normal and refracted ray and emergent ray. When light travel from air or less dense medium to dense medium, it is called incident ray. Normal perpendicular line on the surface of glass slab. Refracted ray, after refraction, light will bend inside the glass slab. This is called refraction. And emergent ray, when light move out from the glass slab or denser medium to less dense medium. This is called emergent ray. So you will know about incident ray, normal ray, refracted ray, emergent ray, and how to draw these lines. And also you must know about refraction from less dense to denser medium, or vice versa. You also draw ray diagram, and very important thing about refractive index. You will calculate refractive index by Snell's law. Refractive index by Snell's law. What is Snell's law? Snell's law is basically ratio of sine I divided by sine R. I, angle of incidence, sine of angle of incidence divided by sine of angle of refraction. This is called Snell's law. So in ATP paper, you will calculate refractive index by this ratio, Snell's law. And also you can calculate refractive index by given length of refraction and emergent inside the glass slab, different length which is given in paper, and you will draw by the help of these given lengths. So instead of Snell's law, you will draw refractive index by given length. When you will attempt past papers questions, you will do practice of these lengths and how you will calculate refractive index by the length of inside of glass slab. And next is Snell law, ratio of sine I and sine R. Now next is prism. In prism, you must know incident ray, how to draw incident ray, normal, refracted ray, and emergent ray. Very important thing is emergent ray. And in prism, you must know two more things: critical angle and angle of deviation. So you will draw critical angle, and sometimes you have to draw angle of deviation. Now what is angle of deviation in prism? In prism, angle of deviation is the angle between the incident ray and emergent ray. When light travels from denser medium to less dense medium to denser medium, for example air to glass, it will deviate or bend. So bending of light is called refraction. So incident ray will bend towards the normal. This is called refracted ray. So inside you will draw refracted ray inside the prism, and when light will move from outside the prism, this is called emergent ray. So when light will bend towards the normal, this is called refracted ray, and from prism to air, this is called emergent ray. So if we draw emergent ray completely and this ray is tied to the actual incident ray direction, you will get angle of deviation. You will draw actual incident ray, completely incident ray, you will draw complete incident ray without bending, and you will draw emergent ray. So between the angle between incident ray and emergent ray is called angle of deviation. So in light chapter, you will prepare according to these all criteria for light chapter. So this question is compulsory. So get ready and prepare yourself for these all topics. First, mirror, lens, glass slab, and prism. Thank you very much.